Yo, 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 yo. How you doing?
Have you ever tried Afghan food? Today let's go to Kabul House, an Afghan restaurant in Merrylands, 20 kilometers west of Sydney, and let's try the food. New mix. This is the first weekend after Sydney lockdown. Freedom, free to go anywhere you like. Of course, freedom comes a price. If you are fully vaxxed, you can go freely anywhere. Most of the restaurants, all the venues, activities, they will ask your vaccine certificate. Are you vaxxed?
No.
Oh, come on. Are you vaxxed? One more time?
Of course.
Okay. They say Merrylands is our second Afghanistan town.
Pretty much. It's a Middle Eastern town.
Oh, okay. It'll be interesting to see. There's lots of Afghan shops here, Middle Eastern restaurants, Persian restaurants. But today, where we're going, it's Kabul House. It's an Afghan restaurant.
So majority of the fast food chains like Pizza Hut, El Porto, McDonald's, all the actual meat is halal.
We are walking in the Merrylands. We're looking for the restaurant called Kabul House. Are you very busy since open?
Yeah.
Very busy?
Yeah.
That's good. What's your name, sir?
My name is Mohammed Benawal.
And where are you from?
I'm from Afghanistan.
Oh, great. That's why you love Afghan food, because you're Afghanistan?
Absolutely.
What did you have?
Kebab?
Kebab?
Yeah, kebab. Afghan kebab?
Afghan kebab?
Yeah. Always I'm coming here because I like it.
You love it, huh?
Yeah.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
Can you explain to me?
This one's called Shami.
Shami?
Mince beef or lamb with onion, salt and pepper.
Okay.
And
So
this
that's a
one-
lamb.
Yeah, and this is eggplant. Oily eggplant.
So that's the eggplant?
Yeah, and this is yogurt.
Yep.
And this one's savoury with chili.
Right.
And this is hot, fresh bread.
Is it a traditional Afghan bread or something? Do they provide alcohol here?
No, Muslim restaurants, they don't provide any form of alcohol, and you can't even bring your own alcohol to eat. Now let me show you how to eat eggplant in Afghan tradition. Get a little bit, like that, and you add a bit of chickpea. Open the dungeon.
I don't really like to use my hand to grab the food. Feels a bit uncomfortable.
So nice.
This is typical Afghan bread. It's pretty solid. It's not as thick as Turkish bread, much thinner, you can see. But the eggplant, the taste is a bit oily, but it's very nice. What sort of rice is this?
It's Afghan rice.
It's Afghan rice.
It's called basmati.
Okay. This is the Koobideh lamb mince with rice. I've heard of it, very nice. I did try in a different restaurant with this dish. It's so beautiful. I'll try here, see how it goes. It's very juicy. It's a bit salty. But this rice, I'm sure it goes down well. What's this, the red stuff?
It's called zeresh. It's like a berry top.
I'm not a yoga fan, but I'm willing to give it a try.
Rice with a bit of yogurt. Something different.
And you can eat the yogurt like that straight.
It's part of our tradition.
Can I have the bill, please?
$35.
Thank you. Just by car, please. It's very nice food. Thank you very much.
You know, it's still a receipt.
Oh no, it's all good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I love my lunch. I love Afghan food.
This is typical, Persian grocery shop. Middle Eastern shop. Yeah, we can get some. So we can make our own Koobideh. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my friend. Good luck.
And get some shopping done.
Feeling quite fat at the moment. Oh my god, feeling heavy.
I enjoy the food today. Sometimes it's not how cheap the food is. It's the authenticity that matters. What's your favorite food? Please comment below and let me know. Thank you for watching.